It's going to be a warm weekend.
It is. It's going to be a warm day today. So
Yep.
Today's kind of the warm up for the real heat ahead this weekend. High temperatures in the mid 80s. I think we'll make it to about 85 by 5 o'clock this afternoon. Now between then and now, nothing but sunshine. I don't see a cloud inside over Mount Hood right now. We'll be in the 70s at noon. So if you want to get out and get your exercise, probably the best idea to do it early this morning while temperatures are relatively cool and in the 50s. Still in the 80s at 7 o'clock tonight. Great night for a barbecue or a walk to a local ice cream parlor. 75 at 9 o'clock tonight, and then finally back into the 60s at 11. It's just beautiful over Mount Hood right now. A gorgeous start to the day. We're about 5 minutes away from sunrise. Here's what it looks like at the Skamania Lodge, where temperatures are in the mid 50s in the gorge. Wine country, equally clear skies, not a cloud in sight in the valley or east of the mountains. The one spot that does have some clouds and patches of fog out along the coast, but even the coast will get to sunshine later on today. Temperatures outside in the low 50s out toward Washington County. We've got 51 degrees in Beaverton currently, also in Camas 51, 53 in Troutdale. A little bit more mild when you get into the populated core of downtown Portland and Vancouver, where temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s. Look how clear we are statewide. The only exception, few clouds drifting on into Burns early this morning. Ridge of high pressure building over the top of us. It's going to amplify this weekend, keeping us dry and warm all the way through really next week. But I think the peak of the heat will be on Sunday. So watch this as the warm air moves in. Again, the peak heating will happen on Sunday. Upper 80s, low 90s tomorrow. I think we'll be in the low to mid 90s on Sunday. And Monday still pretty warm. We get a bit of a dip in the jet later on in the week, and that will draw in some ocean air and cool us down ever so slightly. So the last 5 days, hope you enjoyed the 60s. 75 yesterday. I think we'll jump another 10 degrees today into the mid 80s. And then check this out. Things really skyrocket as we head into next week, just cooling down ever so slightly the middle part of the week. Lots of complaints about allergies, so I figured it was time to give you your allergy report. Grass pollen counts are high. We've got moderate tree pollen counts right now, so you're going to want to search out your Benadryl or Zyrtec or whatever it is that you use to deal with allergies. Along the coast this weekend, you can get a little relief from the heat. Low 70s both days, morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Here in the valley, it's going to be toasty with high temperatures in the low 90s both days, sunny conditions. Through the gorge, I know a lot of active folks headed to the gorge this weekend. We'll be in the low 90s both days with mainly pretty light winds, maybe a little westerly wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And finally, Central Oregon, mid 80s on Saturday, low 90s on Sunday, and nothing but sunshine. Here's your 7-day forecast. Heating up tomorrow into the 90s. That'll be our first 90-degree day, I think, since last September. 92 on Sunday. I brought temperatures down just a bit on Monday. 85 degrees both Monday and Tuesday. And models, not completely agreeing on when we cool down. It looks like it'll be the middle part of next week sometime, though, when temperatures return to the upper 70s, which is still above average. Average is 71 this time of year.